Welcome to a video about a moment we all face in life when change is near. Whether it's a shift in our personal lives, our careers, or our inner selves, change is a constant companion in our journey. But how do we know when it's coming, and more importantly, how can we prepare ourselves to make the most of it? Today, we'll look into the law of attraction and explore how it interacts with the imminent changes in our lives. The law of attraction suggests that the universe aligns our external experiences with our internal thoughts and feelings. So, if change is on the horizon, it could very well be that your thoughts are already turning into a new frequency, a frequency of transformation and new possibilities. Let's begin by understanding that sensing an upcoming change isn't just about wishful thinking or random luck. It involves a deeper connection with ourselves and the signs around us. By fostering awareness and aligning our mindset with what we hope to attract, we set the stage for the changes we desire to manifest. It's about being proactive with our thoughts and emotions, guiding them to construct a reality that resonates with our aspirations. Recognizing the signs of impending change is crucial. These signs can be as subtle as a recurring thought or as clear as a significant opportunity knocking at our door. For instance, you might notice certain themes popping up in your conversations, books, or even through media that catch your attention repeatedly. These aren't coincidences, but are cues from the universe about what might be lining up for you. But how do we differentiate between mere noise and genuine signs? It starts with clarity, being clear on what you want out of life. When you have a clear direction, it becomes easier to notice the signs that are relevant and supportive of your goals. It's like tuning into a radio frequency. Once you know the station, everything else becomes just background noise. Once you start noticing these signs, the next step is to interpret them positively. Approach each sign with a mindset that says, "This is guiding me toward a better path." If you encounter challenges or setbacks, view them as lessons or redirections rather than obstacles. This shift in perception not only improves your emotional resilience, but also aligns your vibrational frequency with the outcomes you seek. To practice this, begin each day with a few minutes of reflection. Ask yourself, what signs have I received recently, and how can these guide me closer to my goals? Use a journal to track these signs and your feelings about them. This will not only help you in recognizing patterns, but also in developing a habit of interpreting your life's events more constructively. Let's focus on the role of intuition in navigating through times of change. Intuition is your inner guidance system, your personal compass that helps you decide which path to take when you stand at a crossroad. Understanding and trusting your intuition is crucial, especially when signs indicate that change is near. Developing intuition starts with listening. It's about quieting the mind so you can hear your deeper desires and truths. Each day, dedicate time to silence, whether through meditation, a walk in nature, or simply sitting quietly without distractions. These moments of stillness are your opportunities to connect deeply with your inner self, allowing your intuition to become clearer and more discernible. To strengthen this connection, regularly ask yourself reflective questions like, "What feels right for me?" or "What steps am I drawn to take next?" Pay attention to how certain thoughts make you feel. Intuitive guidance often comes with a sense of certainty and calm, even if the direction it suggests is challenging. By tuning into these feelings, you train yourself to differentiate between fear-based reactions and genuine intuitive insights. With a better grasp of your intuition, the next step is preparing mentally and emotionally for change. This preparation is about aligning your mindset with the changes you wish to attract. Mental preparation involves setting clear intentions. What exactly do you want to bring into your life? Specify your intentions, not just in terms of outcomes, but also in how you want to feel. This clarity helps direct your mental energy positively and purposefully. Emotionally, it's about creating a resilient and receptive state of mind. Begin by acknowledging and releasing old beliefs and emotions that may hinder your progress. This could involve practices like journaling or engaging in dialogues with a mentor or coach. The goal is to identify and let go of those parts of your story that no longer serve your highest good. Adopt practices that promote emotional health. Techniques such as deep breathing, yoga, or even engaging in hobbies that bring you joy can help maintain an emotional equilibrium. These activities keep your spirit uplifted and your heart open, essential conditions for welcoming new experiences. In managing both mental and emotional readiness, consistency is key. Make these practices a regular part of your life to ensure that when change comes, you are not just reacting to it, but actively integrating it into your life's narrative. This proactive approach empowers you to navigate transitions with confidence and grace. Transitioning to the power of affirmations, let's understand how these simple yet profound statements can support the changes you are preparing for. Affirmations are positive present tense statements that help you focus on your goals, overcome negative thoughts, and reinforce your intentions. They act as reminders of your capability and worthiness to experience the transformations you seek. To incorporate affirmations into your daily routine, start by choosing or crafting statements that resonate deeply with what you desire. For instance, if you are seeking a new job, an affirmation like, "I am attracting a fulfilling and rewarding career," can shift your mindset and energy towards making that change a reality. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in the morning, to set a positive tone for the day. It's also helpful to repeat them at night, allowing these positive thoughts to be the last you ponder before sleep. The key to effective affirmations is consistency and belief. Repeating these phrases regularly not only helps to reprogram your subconscious mind, but also keeps your thoughts aligned with your goals. This alignment is crucial as it enhances your receptivity to the changes you are inviting into your life. Moving forward, let's explore visualization techniques, a powerful tool that complements affirmations in manifesting change. Visualization involves creating vivid, detailed mental images of the outcomes you desire. By visualizing your goals as already achieved, you stimulate the same neural networks that actual experiences would, preparing your mind and body to act in ways that align with your visions. Begin by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths to center yourself. Once relaxed, picture in as much detail as possible the change you wish to experience. Imagine not just the visual aspects, but also engage your other senses. What do you hear, feel, or even smell when you picture your goal being realized? What emotions are you experiencing? This multi-sensory approach deepens the impact of the visualization. Practice this technique regularly, ideally daily, for about 5 to 10 minutes. Consistency is critical, as the more frequently you visualize your desired changes, the more ingrained these images become in your subconscious, influencing your behavior and reactions in everyday life. These visualization sessions not only bolster your confidence in the possibility of achieving your desires, but also prime you to seize opportunities and take the actions necessary to make these changes happen. While we progress on our journey of attracting change, cultivating patience and perseverance becomes essential. Change often does not occur overnight. It requires time and persistent effort. Patience is not merely waiting, it is maintaining a positive stance while working towards your goals, even when progress seems slow. To develop patience, focus on setting realistic expectations and understanding that most changes unfold in stages. Recognize and celebrate small achievements along the way, which are signs of progress. This practice helps maintain motivation and prevents frustration during longer processes. Additionally, integrate patience into your daily affirmations, such as saying, "I am patient and trust the timing of my life," reinforcing the belief that things will unfold as they should. Perseverance, closely linked with patience, involves staying committed to your goals despite challenges and setbacks. It requires resilience and the ability to push through doubts or failures. Strengthen your perseverance by reminding yourself of the deeper reasons behind your desire for change. Keeping your ultimate objectives in mind helps to navigate through less inspiring times and keeps you aligned with your long-term vision. The environment around us plays a significant role in facilitating or hindering change. Our surroundings can influence our mood, energy levels, and even our determination. To make your environment a catalyst for change, start by organizing your physical space. A clutter-free, harmonious environment reduces stress and increases focus and productivity, making it easier to work towards new goals. Consider also the influence of your social environment. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage and inspire you. Infuse your surroundings with elements that reflect the change you wish to see. For example, if you are seeking a calmer, more centered life, you might introduce elements like plants, soothing colors, or artwork that represent tranquility to you. These cues in your environment serve as constant reminders of your goals and enhance your daily motivation. While we further look into attracting and managing change, maintaining balance and well-being is crucial. This involves nurturing all aspects of yourself, physical, mental, and emotional, to ensure you are in the best state to accept new opportunities. Maintaining balance helps you respond to changes with flexibility and strength. Start by integrating activities into your routine that promote physical health, such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest. Physical well-being significantly impacts mental clarity and emotional stability, providing a solid foundation for handling changes. Mentally, keep your mind sharp and focused through practices like reading, puzzle solving, or learning new skills. These activities keep your brain engaged and open to new ideas, which is vital when navigating change. Emotionally, regular practices like meditation or mindfulness can greatly enhance your emotional resilience. These techniques help you manage stress and foster a state of inner peace, allowing you to stay centered amidst change. To truly benefit from the changes you've attracted into your life, it's important to accept and sustain them. Accepting change involves accepting it wholeheartedly, recognizing that it is part of your growth. Sustaining change requires continuous effort and adaptation. Implement habits that reinforce the changes you've made. For instance, if your change involves new professional skills, engage in ongoing learning and application in your work. If it involves personal growth, practice the new behaviors or mindsets daily. Moreover, assess and adjust your approach as needed. Change is not always linear, and being adaptable allows you to fine-tune your methods to ensure ongoing alignment with your goals. While we wrap up our video of change and the law of attraction, let's reflect on the key themes we've discussed. The journey to attracting and accepting change is deeply personal and requires a blend of intuition, preparation, and action. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and environment with your desired outcomes, you create a powerful magnet for attracting the changes you seek. Remember, the ability to adapt and thrive in the face of change is enhanced by your willingness to maintain a balanced approach to life. It's important to stay grounded and centered, no matter how significant the transformations you experience. As you move forward, carry with you the tools and insights shared in this discussion. Keep honing your awareness of signs, cultivating your intuition, and practicing affirmations and visualization. These are your keys to unlocking a future that aligns with your deepest desires and aspirations. Now that you are equipped with knowledge and strategies to harness the law of attraction in times of change, it's time to put these into practice. Begin today by setting aside a few minutes to reflect on the changes you wish to attract. Use the techniques we've discussed to start shaping the path toward your goals. Stay committed to your growth and keep revisiting these practices regularly. Change is not just something to manage, but an opportunity to actively mold and enjoy. Keep your spirits high, your mind focused, and your heart open as you navigate through the evolving landscapes of your life. Well, in closing, we invite you to continue exploring these concepts. Dive deeper into understanding how your thoughts and actions influence your reality, and accept the continual journey of self-discovery and transformation.